back to the returning subscribers, and if you're new, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell notification option to stay updated on all my new uploads too. Today I got my hands on the sleek looking Bluedio T monitor, that's short for Turbine Monitor Bluetooth headphones. Bluedio make unique, innovative headphones at an affordable price. This particular headset right here coming around £20 to £25, that's 26 to 32 in US dollars. They are one of a few stylish looking headphones that Bluedio have to offer. The turbines being the main lineup for Bluedio are mostly wireless over-the-ear headphones that vary in price and build quality. I must say I'm very excited to try this headset out today, but first let me just thank GearBest.com, to whom this particular review wouldn't be possible. They have some interesting tech and gadgets with affordable prices, offers and international shipping too. And well, without further ado, let's have a look at these headphones. First, on the outside of the matte black box, to the front we have the main picture of the T-Monitor headphones. To the right hand side there is a handy barcode that you can scan and have access to the Bluedio app. To the rear we have some detailed specifications, features, and again Bluedio included this small handy barcode which when scanned takes you direct to the main Bluedio website. Inside the box, everything is packaged very well, keeping the headphones safe while in transit. We have a very sleek thin 100cm Type A to Type C USB cable, a small but detailed multi-language instruction manual, and finally the Bluedio Bluetooth headphones themselves. These Bluedio Turbine headphones really have an unusual but classy look about them. I especially like the beautiful rounded triangle shaped units and the Bluedio gloss logo that is engraved within them. Most of the outer shell of the oval ear cups are made of sturdy ABS plastic. The plastic really feels good quality compared to other headphones that I've reviewed within the same price range. And with the three colours to choose from, I personally think that these red ones are the best by far out of the three. The inner ear cup lining is bright red, along with these thick soft ear pads which looks to be made of synthetic leather. The colour coordination with the padded engraved headband keeps the stylish simplistic look flowing. And with these aluminium fully adjustable sidearms, they are strong, robust and would have no problem fitting any size head. To the right rear side we have these easily accessible volume control track selection buttons. The power and voice dial button just here, an LED indicator, to the bottom a Type C charging connector audio jack, and lastly to the right we have the microphone. There isn't any buttons to the left side of this headset. They are also not foldable, and with the Bluetooth 5.0 2.48 GHz transmission frequency, connectivity should be swift. So let's go ahead and connect these headphones real quick, and this can be done by pressing and holding the power button for 4 seconds. Just listen for the notification saying power on, shortly followed by a voice prompt. From here just simply select T-Monitor from your device scan list, wait for a pairing completed notification, and Bob's your uncle, connectivity is now complete. Trying on these headphones, right away I got to say the thick soft padded ear cups and headband really feels comfortable. They feel well secured to my head with not much movement at all, and as soon as this headset was placed over my ears, it's easy to notice that they are indeed noise cancelling. Now will the audio be as good as they are comfortable? Let's choose a track and find out. I'm going to use a track that's free to use. Okay, here we go.
Whoa. Wow. Okay, now that is loud. Let me just turn it down a little. Oh yeah, nice. I must say I love the deep bass, the sound quality as well. Let me just tell you, up to now, these sound fantastic. The mids and highs are very good, but the low tones don't stand out that much, to be honest. At maximum volume, the highs do get a little bit distorted, but the bass is very much present. Trust me, these are very, very loud at that 118 decibels, and as you can tell, I can't even hear my own voice while I'm speaking just now. Wow. Whew. Wow. I mean, that's the sound of the headphones off. You can tell how loud they are. So let's just put them back on just one more time.
When it comes to the frequency response with these Bluedio T headphones, well, they come in with a low base rating of 20Hz and a triple high rating of roughly 15,000Hz, which on a scale between 20 to 20,000Hz is an excellent result. 3D audio is precise when it comes to the directional sound. For example, when the sound is panning from left to right, there is a relative polarity between both drivers, and with the deep bass, these headphones didn't rattle not one bit. You do have a 3-mode equalizer which you can toggle through by pressing both volume buttons at the same time. And to this you will hear a beep when each mode is selected. The voice call button, which is integrated into the power button, is also simple to use. With your device unlocked, hold the power button for a few seconds and say the name of the person you wish to call. Answering and rejecting a call is easy too. Press the power button once to either answer or end calls. Press and hold it for 2 seconds to refuse all calls. And to redial the last number, press the power button twice. Voice clarity on both ends of a call was very clear. There is no audio lag, and with any audio playback you should be able to use them 10 meters away from your device. That is without obstacles getting in the way. For example, I did try this headset in a solid concrete walled house, and I only reached 30 feet before the Bluetooth signal disconnected. I did however get past the initial 10 meters specified within the instructions in clear open space, so yeah, the area you're using them in matters. Charge time is fast, around about 2 hours. Once fully charged, the LED indicator will turn from red to blue. With this charge you should have a standby time of 1000 hours and a Bluetooth music and talk time between 20 to 30 hours, obviously depending on your volume. In addition to this, after testing it, I did go up to 24 hours, that's where I am up to now, and these headphones are still going. Even if this battery does die, you can use the 3.5mm Type-C audio cable to play music. And even though Bluedio supplied us with the charge cable, you will need to purchase an extra cable if you want to connect it direct to your particular phone. In addition to all the specifications listed, these headphones support a cloud service. Users can download the app by scanning the QR code with your device. Once installed, connect the headset to your phone, then double click the power button to wake up the cloud. The cloud service will be on, where you can now enjoy the smart cloud service. So after using these Bluedio headphones, what would I give this T1 headset a rating out of 10? Well, drumrolls please. Well, today I think I've got to give this headset a rating of 8 out of 10. I would have gave a better rating for this headset, I just feel that the buttons are a bit small. Like I said, the earpads are comfortable, but I did find my ears sweating after a while with the synthetic leather earpads. Lastly, the instructions was on the small side, and I found myself, for example, searching for the equalizer functions myself while using the headset, as some of how to access instructions were not detailed enough. And basically, that's it. Overall, I'm very happy with these headphones. I mean, for the low price, I've only come across one other budget headset that I've reviewed in the past that can match the sound and bass quality. The only difference is, well, the build quality. The look of these Bluedio Tm headphones is basic and simplistic, but it has a style about them that I really like. Overall, these are fantastic. Anyway guys, I hope you liked this review of the Bluedio Tm headphones. You can go get yours, yep, I did say it, in the description down below. And as usual, it would be mighty fine if you share this video wherever possible. Go ahead and smash the like button. Keep in mind to subscribe, making sure that you hit the notification bell option to stay updated as soon as my upload hits the Gogetyours channel. And well, I'll see you guys over on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace!